Hey everybody, welcome to problem of the day number 10. We are on a calculator test today, and for this particular problem, 37 and 38 actually go together, so we'll do number 37 today, and then we'll do number 38 tomorrow. A botanist is cultivating a rare species of plant in a controlled environment, and currently has 3,000 of these plants. The population of this species that the botanist expects to grow next year, that's N sub next year, can be estimated from the number of plants this year, that's N sub this year, by the equation below. The constant K in this formula is the number of plants the environment is able to support. Notice I skipped reading that equation, because it's just kind of a waste of time to read it while I'm trying to get through a test until it's time to actually read it. So I would read the question here and then go back and read this equation, since I'm going to end up reading it anyways after I read the question. Why not just read it the one time instead of reading through it here and then reading the question and reading through the equation again? According to the formula, what will be the number of plants 2 years from now if K equals 4,000? Round your answer to the nearest whole number. Go ahead and pause the video, try the problem, and then press play. So we have 3,000 plants currently, so that is N sub this year. That's 3,000. So that means this is also 3,000 right here. And this is 3,000. And in this case, then K is 4,000. So N sub next year equals 3,000 for N sub this year plus 0.2 times N sub this year, another 3,000, times 1 minus 3,000 for N sub this year over K, which is 4,000. Okay, now I'm just going to plug this whole thing in my calculator, since this is a calculator test. So we have 3,000 plus 0.2 times 3,000 times 1 minus 3,000 over 4,000, which of course could just be simplified to 3 over 4. And that is 3,150. Okay, so that gives me 3,150, and it's tempting to stop right here, but this is N sub next year. Next year, we'll have 3,150 plants, but it says 2 years from now, which means we need to do this 2 times. So in the following year, so we started with 3,000, the following year, there's 3,150. That becomes the new this year. Okay, so this is after 1 year, we get 3,150. So after another year, now we're starting with 3,150 plus 0.2 times 3,150 times 1 minus 3,150 over 4,000. So 3,150 plus 0.2 times 3,150 times 1 minus 3,150 over 4,000. And that is 3,283.875. Now it says round to the nearest whole number. We can't have a decimal of a plant, so that would be 3,284. So this is my final answer, and this is a gridded response question. So in our grid for number 37, we have 3,284.